how to make money on people per hour with data entry services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People per Hour is a platform where you can list your own skills in order to sell them or to get hired to do a project or a job for other individuals or business owners. So for example, if you are in data entry services, so here let's search for this category. We have here writing, technology and programming. We have here data science. Let's go with data science just to show you some freelancers that are doing the same skill like yours. So here we have data scrape, data web scraping, and here we have data science, data analysis. So here let's enter in the search, let's enter data entry services and let's search for it. So here we have web research for hours, provide any type of data entry work in 1 hour with professionally. So those are your competitors, as you can see. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this for yourself in order to showcase your skills to get hired or to get paid doing this skill. So let's go back to the main page and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then here click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password as well. And then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start signing. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about signing and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. And here click on apply now. So here complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. And here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with data entry services. And here for the skills, the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these 15 spots wisely. So let's start first with data entry and then data research, data analysis, anything that is related to data. If you can do that, if that's a skill of yours, you can add it, there is no problem. Data scraping, data entry clerk. Let's go with entry to see what do we have in here. Peter Blum data entry suite, Cisco certified entry networking technician. Let's go with data entry suite and database management, data visualization, data science, administration, extraction, and that's it. Then you proceed to your description. So here guys, describe yourself to buyers. So in order to enter a very decent description for your profile, we will just need to go to check our competitors again, and then we're going to see what are they doing, how are they talking about their skill in their description, what are they talking about in the description of them, how did they organize it. So for example, let's search let's check this first one. Data mine or data scrape from an entire website directory. So here, let's read more. And as you can see, this is a very brief description and it's very unique. I've never saw any description like this. Degree educated, friendly and highly motivated individual with over 5 years of experience in data analysis, collation and B2B databases, digital marketing data, LinkedIn research, lead generation, data mining, data scraping, data research, finding and analyzing. If you require anything data related, send a message, it's free to ask. So this is a very good description. I advise you to take your inspiration from this one. And here let's go back to check another one's description. For example, let's check this one. So here, click on read more. And this is an organized description, but it's not that very good. As you can see in here, he made just one sale, so that's not very good. That means he's either doing something bad in his description or in his profile, and this one has a lot of sales, so he has a very good description. As you can see, we have here 3 paragraphs. The first one, he talks about his experience, and in the second paragraph he talks about major tasks and I undertake and accomplish are, his skills and the tasks that he takes. And in the third and the last paragraph he talks about, apart from the development skills, I have hands-on experience of digital marketing and lead generation. I have managing social media targeted ads for organic growth of the businesses, and their business has increased by any folds already. Accurate leads for engaging email and telemarketing can also be provided for any, he wanted to say demography, or any industry niche with a solid ROI granted. Don't hesitate to contact me and share your query or idea. So this is a very good inspiration for our description. This is the one we're going to be based on in order to make a decent description for us. And after you're done with your description, then you move on to enter your location and the languages that you can speak. Then you end with your hourly rate. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.